Along their journey, Ted and Zoe discovered the friendship tree, a magical tree that blossomed with the kindness they showed to others. Ted and Zoe demonstrated the importance of compassion, making a positive impact on the enchanted world. As a reward for their kindness, the enchanted world revealed a hidden treasure, a chest full of magical objects that symbolize the joy of helping others. The enchanted forest came alive with the vibrant dance of friendship as Ted and Zoe twirled and laughed with their newfound animal friends. Remember, Ted and Zoe, the magic of friendship and kindness will always be with you. As Ted and Zoe continue their adventures, let's remember the magical lessons they taught us. Until next time, stay kind and cherish your friendships.